Oh la la, welcome back my beautiful people of the internet, and look, here is the deal. We could argue we are part of a beta program for the Galaxy Watch 4 and it is a valid argument, no doubt. On the other hand, we could also argue we are part of a new product line that is finding its way around, and you know what, personally I am okay with that. It is almost like every week something changes for the better, so let's focus on exactly that. Please go to your Galaxy Watch 4 app shelf, go to the Google Play Store, scroll down to My Apps, and you will notice a whole bunch of apps need updating. Press update and chill out for a couple of minutes until it's done. Please also update your wearable app on your phone for your Galaxy Watch 4. That is important. A brand new update just came out. Okay, so the first change you will notice is in YouTube Music. We have two new additions. Number one, streaming. Yes, I know. We all have been waiting for this feature to arrive, but now it is here. Open up YouTube Music, go to a playlist that is not downloaded. You will see a press play button in addition to the download button. They're located next to each other. When you press play, it will simply stream your music whether you are on Wi-Fi or LTE in standalone mode. That means you can now go jogging, listen to your favorite YouTube Music playlist, and simply stream. Number two, you have a dedicated YouTube Music tile available now, and this can easily be added via your phone in the Galaxy Watch 4 wearable app. You can now see your recent played song or simply jump into your YouTube Music app via this dedicated tile. Okay, staying with new dedicated tiles for your Galaxy Watch 4, and yes, there are more tiles to explore as long as you update all the apps that need updating. Once done, you will now see you have more dedicated tiles available to choose from, like this one here, like Strava. If you are into Strava, then you now have that dedicated tile. Or Adidas Running. And you know what, as a matter of fact, Adidas added two new dedicated tiles for your Galaxy Watch 4.